What's good with y'all YouTube? It's MET and today, man, I'm trying to come at y'all with another live trading video. And today, we are looking at the pair of what the fuck am I talking about? We are looking at the pair of Gbpgpy, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I'm seeing today. So first things first, we always gotta look at the trend and see if we're an uptrend or not. And on Gbpgpy, we are an uptrend. This is the 5-minute, 15-minute, hour. I got the SMA, you know what I'm saying? I'm always looking. If it's above the SMA, I'm low-key, most likely always looking for, quick entries and shit like that. I mean, not quick entries, buying entries and shit. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So, I'm just seeing, just peeping. We just peeping right now. Just seeing what's available. These are some of the other things I was looking at. I had marked up. GJ, UJ, GU just got tapped into. So we're gonna put that right there. So yeah, man. Today is Wednesday. Oh, thought today was Thursday. Damn. So we've been going by fast as shit for me. So I'm finna mark up my little zones. We got in. Yeah, came right there. This would be my original stop loss, but bro, I don't know. Like the way this candle, the way the previous candle that we're at right now, it never went down. So yeah, that's a big. Hmm. Yeah, if it go back down to break even, I might have to get out. I'm not gonna cap. Not gonna cap, cause that shit is hmm. But we just gonna see. We just gonna relax and see. Cause if y'all been on my channel for a while or in my Discord or just been watching me, y'all know I like to see candles like wick down and then go up. This didn't really wick down, it just wicked up and just started pushing up. And I'm not saying if it doesn't wick down it won't keep going up, but that's just like that's what just I like to see in the market. That's just me personally. Now I did get in a little bit late on this entry, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Where's my targets at? Yeah, so since I got in late, I did put my stop loss down here. But, you know, let's go to the 15-minute C. So, yeah. So this is the high right here. Wonder if we could break it. Wonder if we could break it, though. I did get in late. I low-key hate that, though. I hate I got in late. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm looking at these two candles. These two candles right here. This red one and the blue one. Uh, we'll see. We'll see. The hour. Ooh, okay. The hour low key looking good. I'm not gonna lie to you. The hour's low key looking good. I like the way that hour candle look. You know, if you look how this candle reacted, it pushed up and pushed quite down quite a bit. And then on this one, it pushed down and then it's pushing up. So, hey, if we can break some new highs today, that'd be nice. That'd be beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. That'd be top tier. So yeah, if we can just continue to break above this and just continue to, just break above and just keep going crazy, hey, that'd be lit. That'd be lit for me. So yeah, when I'm in trades, I usually try to keep my head on different time frames just to see what's going on and shit. Let's check the 1 minute. Hmm. So yeah, this could have been a potential supply. Oh shit. Okay. Whoa. What's my take profit at though? We almost hit the 1 to 2. Oh shit, that's not even a 1 to 2, you dickhead. Yeah, I'm gonna just be content with this. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna take this shit. And the reason I'm gonna take that shit is simply because now look, now look. I know this did not. Now look, this is just me personally. I don't usually always take my profits early, but I'm gonna tell y'all why exactly why I took my profits early. For one thing is I know like this is just me. This is just personally me. This is not everybody else. You don't have to do this. You don't have to listen to me. Look, you can just stick to the way you trade. I'm gonna trade the way I trade. And the reason why is for one, I got in late. And if I usually like it's just for me, usually if I get in late, I can't um manage the trade the same as I would. Cause think about it. If you get in late and try to hold to like a 1 to 2, just because you know that was your original plan. But think about it, you didn't get your original entry. You don't want to be too greedy, and okay, if your regular entry, for like your regular entry, if you draw up your your little the long position, where you got the stop loss and then you got the take profit, right? You draw that up from your original entry. That could hit for a 1 to 2, but since you got in late, that might not hit for a 1 to 2. It might hit for like a it might hit close and then just start melting. And then for another reason I also got out is because this candle right here was very, very bullish. Not saying that's a bad thing, but like I said, when I like to get in or what I like to see in the market is I like to see like the wick below, that candle. As you can see right here, this candle right here that did this huge push up. It didn't really have a wick. And like I said, that doesn't mean all the time that like it's not safe, but to me, I feel more comfortable in trades when I have a wick below the candle that I'm getting into. Cause think about it, once if it starts out going down, right, boom, and then it pushes back up, and then it breaks the high of that candle, and then continues to go up. That's what I'm getting in at. Cause think about it, it already went down. Now if it breaks below that, that's a good place to put my stop loss at. And I'm like, okay, it already went down once. Now if it wants to go up, it should not be going down again. You feel me? So hopefully y'all understand that, man. Every time I trade, I try to give y'all some you know what I'm saying, some sauce, or maybe how I see the market. Maybe I help y'all understand why I get in, why I get out, maybe that type of thing. But today Wednesday, man, we gotta win. I don't think I'm really gonna trade today again. Yeah, GU tapped the zone in this. I mean, it would be good if we could see a break right here. This push up. Like I said, like with this candle right here. Let's say what I'm saying, it's already going down right now. Right now, if it broke right above here, I'm getting in. I would get in. So that's nice. Gee, get this shit off my screen. I don't want it. Yeah, USDJPY. This is another entry I missed. I ain't gonna cap it to you. I had this marked up. This demand right marked up. Supposed to get in right here. Boom. TP would have got destroyed. 1 to 2 demons would have ate. No cap. But hey, man, make sure y'all join the Discord if y'all haven't, and link in the description down below. Make sure you go follow me on IG, all that good stuff. And hey, man, I don't really got too much other to say. Y'all have a good day. You click off the video, bro. Go have a good day. What you looking at me for, bro? What you want me to take this setup and overtrade and lose all that money again and start cussing my family out? Not gonna happen. You're not gonna see it. Get the fuck off the video.